ma'am and sir will have wiser words to speak on those points. I don't see myself as too much qualified to be able to speak on those, to just comment on those points alone. But let me say one thing. क्योंकि आप सब girls हैं, let me say one thing. कई वर्षों पहले Virginia Woolf wrote an essay called A Room of One's Own. A Room of One's Own. ध्यान से सुनिए मेरी बात, खास तौर से girls. Virginia Woolf was वो उस जमाने में पैदा हुई when women even in England did not go to college. They were not allowed to go to college. उनके पिताजी एक बहुत बड़े एडिटर थे and Virginia Woolf was brilliant and she could not go to college. और उनके दो भाई थे who were less than her and they both went to Oxford. और उसे जिंदगी भर इस चीज का मलाल रहा that she lived in a society that despite all its brilliance and the glorious success and modern civilization still did not allow women to go to college and did not allow women could not vote in England that time. जब तक कुछ महिलाओं ने जान कीमत नहीं चुकाई, they were not allowed to vote. So Virginia Woolf, she wrote an essay imagining अगर विलियम शेक्सपियर की जगह उसकी बहन होती, अगर शेक्सपियर की जगह उसकी बहन होती, as creative, as brilliant as Shakespeare, उसका क्या होता? 16-20 साल की उम्र में विलियम शेक्सपियर ने किसी की पड़ोस की मुर्गी चुराई and he went to London just to escape the arrest. जो एक पॉपुलर कहानी है, it could be different. And he joined this company and he started acting in plays. His profession, started earning money, and he looked within, as they say. Shakespeare didn't read literature; he just looked within and found everything there and he wrote. And then started writing, and he quite enjoyed. He thrived in it, and he took all the stories from here and there. सब पुरानी कहानियाँ, fables उठाई, and he touched it with Midas touch. Who said Midas touch? Or he turned it to gold. Now Virginia Woolf asked this question. It's a very brilliant essay. पढ़े आप उसको. A Room of One's Own. सभी girls को पढ़ना चाहिए. A Room of One's Own. ताकि आपका अपना रूम हो और बॉयज को भी पढ़ना चाहिए ताकि you allow that girls have a room of their own. I have 3 daughters and I'm very proud of them. And so when I see all these girls around, I became rather protective and I say this very passionately. So she says, अगर शेक्सपियर की जगह उसकी बहन होती, she gave us some name Judith or something. अगर वो लंदन भाग जाती तो क्या होता? उस जमाने में you could not act in a play as a woman. You were not allowed to act. You were not allowed to act. There were no female actors. Men would be acting as females. So, if she ever succeeded in surviving in London, she would join this company. What would happen? And then Virginia goes on explaining that क्या होता. एक आध प्ले में वो काम करती, एक आध प्ले में वो काम करती, वो लिखती, वो कुछ कर पाती, और within 6 months, 1 year, unfortunately, sorry to use that, she would have been exploited, even raped, and she would have hanged herself within a year. Virginia Woolf says this, and ultimately, very sadly, Virginia Woolf gave us some of the best novels. Mrs. Dalloway, आज तक पढ़ाया जाता है, brilliant novel, and towards the end of her life, for whatever reasons, Virginia Woolf committed suicide. She walked into the nearest river and she just drowned in that. Same here. Let's come to 21st century. Let me give you a warning. जब आप लोगों की उम्र 30-35 साल हो जाए और शिमला में ऐसी कोई एफर्ट जैसा इन लोगों ने किया है, इट्स अ मेहनत टास्क, बहुत बड़ा एफर्ट है ये जो किताब निकाली है, ये कोई मामूली बात नहीं। और when you people are 35, अगर 25 से 45 तक के लोगों के लिए एक ऐसी ही कंपटीशन हो and there is a book like this, let me warn you all, out of 51, 41 will be men. इसको वार्निंग समझे, इसको वक्त का खासा समझे. 41 will be men and 10 will be women, and if the program takes place in the year 2045, in this hall there will be 25 men, 1 or 2 women. That's all. ऐसा क्यों होता है? ये आपकी बात है. 10th plus 2 में girls top करती हैं, and by the time you reach companies, professionals, heads, COEs, there are no women there. 43, 44 American presidents, all male. क्या सारी महिलाएं वहाँ डबल हैं? As Hillary Clinton said, there is a glass ceiling. वो टूटती नहीं है. एक शीशे की सीलिंग है. You can see beyond it as a woman, but you just can't go over there. It is people like you who have the capacity to change it. Please make sure कि 2045 में अगर यहाँ इसी एज ग्रुप का 25 to 45 का कंपटीशन हो, उसमें कम से कम आधी तो आप लोग हो. Why? Because as you go forward, again that Virginia Woolf question comes into mind time and again. A room of one's own. You will be denied a room of your own. Whether that is a cultural issue, whether that is career, whether there is, you will have a different career, boys will have a different career, you will be questioned time and again about their career. So when you see this book, देखिए पहले गौर से ये